I need a rafter, and I have not got one. So we're going to make one from this log, yeah, because we've got a log and not a rafter. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a reasonably flat face, for which we can work out the other faces off. And we're going to be using a tar plane, an electric plane, but also we're going to be using an axe. Eventually I might be using a draw knife as well. Now, don't get me wrong, I haven't got to go mad, just for an old French bum. So we're not looking for something that's like an old chevron, perfectly square and straight. We'll go with the flow. Now we can have a curve in the rafter in one direction, but the mounting surfaces and the surfaces we've got to put the batten on, well, they have to be, well, flat. Oh, so roof tiles are going to do this, you see. I don't want that. No, it ain't going to work. So anyway, no further ado, let's get on with it, shall we?
Oh my giddy aunt.
Okay.
That's enough of him. Let's get on with the job at hand. First of all, we're going to use the carpenter's axe, which happens to have a thin blade. It's not like a chopping axe, no, which has a wedgie-shaped blade. Yeah. So peeling away, that we are. Take off the old bark and take off the highs. And now we're on to the old tar plane. Attacking it we are, yeah. Oh, it's so pretty. It's just like confetti. Well, the wood is wet, and it keeps clogging up my machine, it does. At least I've got an airline and my finger, or maybe an old paintbrush. And also we can peel out and push out all the old bits that are jamming in behind the old cutter of the tar plane. So I thought I'd just check, see how it's doing, and there's a blooming great gap in the middle. Anyway, let's chop off a few more bits and pieces, and this wart. Let's get rid of this wart, this knuckle, this branch stump, or mole, like on Austin Powers. Moldy, 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 moldy. You've got to chop it off, you know. Well, I got bored with the old tar plane, they're going to keep clogging up, so I thought I'd turn to the old draw knife and see if that will be any easier. First of all, a little bit of sharpening. So now, we're away, peeling off the wood. Oh, it's therapeutic, you know, doing that, until you realise it's flippin' hard work. Yeah. Okay, so what do we do instead? Bring out the rotary rasp. Oh my giddy aunt, this makes light work, and I bet it does. That's definitely my tool of choice. I'll leave a link in the description down below for one of these rotary rasps, but be careful, because they can be dangerous. But I have to admit, it makes a huge amount of flippin' mess. It's going everywhere, it is. But it works, nevertheless. So just finishing off with the tar plane, just to, you know, make it a little bit smooth and a little bit less fluffy. But as you can see, there's mess everywhere. Call in the missus, she'll sort it out. So roll her over and throw on some flour to find out. No, that's a different video. Anyway, we then do the other side. Yeah, as you can see, it's panning out quite nicely. That'll do. 2 flat faces. Yep, that here. 2 flat faces. Oh, excellent. So mark the end, and then we chop the end off with an electric chainsaw. This happens to be a Shipak electric chainsaw. It's really cheap, like €60 all it was. Oh, what are you doing up there? Are you up on the roof? Oh my god, I'm scared of heights. Oh dear. Bit of oil on the old screw will help it drive into the old seasoned oak purlin. Oh my giddy aunt, it's him again.
2 down, 2 more to go.
Okay. Toodaloo.